In this video I'm going to show you guys how to download and install fonts for Photoshop. So if you didn't know how to do that yet, then make sure you watch this video till the end and you should be able to do that. Let's get started. So first of all, there are a lot of font sites, but I'm just gonna use this one for example, because this one has a lot of free fonts as well. So just search for one or go through all these themes right here. Now I'm just gonna click on this one, and yeah, you can preview it as well and click on download right here at the right. This will open this file right here, so just click on it and close this, and it's right here. So just double click on it, as you can see, and just click install, and it will take a few seconds. Oh, it's already installed. Then go back, close this tab, and remember what the font is called. It's called Magic Dreams. Just go over here, open Photoshop, and just type in something like hello. Just gonna make it black so it's easier to see, and then go search, and then click on this tab and search for Magic Dreams. And as you can see, this is the font, and that's basically it. So yeah, if this video helps you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helps you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.